Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to turn on microphone access and allow applications to access microphone in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is here at the bottom search bar, please type for settings. Once you have typed it, please proceed with the best matched and click on open to continue. Okay, so once you are here at the settings, proceed directly to the left side of it. You can see a list of the options where here you need to go with privacy and security. And under the privacy and security tab, you need to scroll down and look for app permissions where here you need to proceed at the third rank, which is you can see there microphone. Tap on it. Okay. And in this first option, you can see their microphone access. Anyone using this device can choose if their apps have microphone access when this on. So make sure it is being turned on. In that way, you would be able to turn on or enable microphone access. Okay. So it has the second option also where you can let apps access your microphone, which what we're looking for. Simply turn it on. In my case, it is already turned on. Okay. So here you'd be able to see applications present in your Windows. Just have to turn on aligning to that. And the moment you have turned it on, you have just let or give permission for apps to access your microphone. And here as well, here at the third option, you can see there let desktop apps access your microphone. So all the desktop applications will have an access for your microphone if you will turn it on. So in my case, it is already turned on. In my case, I'm currently using it in my OBS studio since I'm using it now when I'm doing my record. Okay. So desktop apps that have previously accessed your microphone are listed here. So these applications have already accessed my microphone. These are desktop apps that is present in my desktop, in fact. Okay. So those are the steps on how to on your microphone access as well as let apps access your microphone and let desktop apps access your microphone as well. So close this window and you're good to go. So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.